Well, hello all you Christmas elves. How are you? I wanted to get a video out today because James and I are leaving for fabulous Las Vegas tomorrow. So I definitely wanted to get something out for you guys. Today I wanted to show you how to make two cute, classic Christmas Yule logs. Plus, at the end of the video, I wanted to give you a quick little tour of Mariposa Market, where I work. Let's do it! So I started out by baking a full slab chocolate cake. However, I used a very small amount, a very thin layer of batter. And as you can see, I baked this with parchment paper, and I'm leaving the parchment paper on because it's easier to roll. And I just put on 6 scoops of plain vanilla American buttercream, and I'm just spreading it out with my spatula. So here I'm starting to roll it. I'm starting with a really small roll. As you can see, I'm pushing over the cake and then I'm pulling back the parchment paper again. So I'm just pushing the cake right over, I'm rolling it with the parchment paper and then pulling that parchment paper back. And there you go, you got yourself a nice roll. So I'm just cutting that into half. I'm going to be making 2 quarter slab Yule logs. Just trimming up the sides of each Yule log. Look at that roll. So pretty. Look at that. That's a nice roll. She got some nice rolls. Next, I filled my cheater bag with chocolate icing. And I'm just giving the entire Yule log a coat of icing. I'm not going to be icing the sides of it though, only the top. Taking my hot spatula and just spreading that out like that. And look, it kind of looks like tree bark. And I'm just bringing in that excess icing from the sides and cleaning it up. Here I have a small piping bag full of white buttercream. And I'm just icing the sides white. And then I'm going to be taking my spatula and smoothing that out nice and flat. Sorry for the focus there. Just taking my chocolate bag with a medium tip. And I'm going to be drawing a little spiral on each end of the Yule log. Here, just taking a hot spatula and I'm literally just making an X right in the middle of those spirals. And just taking a trim tip, I'm trimming up the entire Yule log. I'm only trimming the top of the ends of the Yule logs, not the base. Next, I have some traditional decorations, an axe, some little tiny trees. I have some holly. I got all this stuff from the dollar store, and you can just dress it up to how you like it. Next, the finishing touch, a little bit of powdered sugar. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Perfect for any centerpiece at your Christmas dinner. Next, I wanted to do a birch bark Yule log. So repeating the exact same steps from your previous Yule log. The only thing that's changed is this right here. I'm just adding a little bit of chocolate and just spreading it out with my spatula, giving that birch bark effect. Yes, here they are, 2 super cute Yule Logs, perfect for any Christmas dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. Speaking of Mariposa, let's have a little tour of where I work full-time as a cake decorator. Here you go, enjoy! Special thanks to Carrie Cranny for shooting this video.